Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A15, this version 4GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box, look completion, we have device, quick guide and only cable Type-C to Type-C on this. And key for SIM slot. Okay, triple camera on the back side, 6.5-inch display on the front, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory on the left side, right side power button and warm buttons, power button with fingerprint scanner, downside Type-C port, speaker and headphones jack. Turn on device, we have AMOLED, Super AMOLED display, 90 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution. Open settings. About phone, we have Android 14 and One UI version 6.0. Okay. Close this. Open benchmarks, Geekbench 6. We have CPU Helio J99 and GPU. We have Mali G57. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this. And PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.